As 2024 unfolds, the time for excuses is over. Go big or go home. It's time to make your move. What's your business growth plan for the year? As a business owner, you feel the weight of day-to-day operations holding you back from reaching your full potential, right? And never-ending, frustrating, suffocating loop of tasks that sucks you dry and leaves no room for strategic, high-level decisions and actions you should be taking to drive your business forward. Being in the trenches is an inevitable part of your business, but that is not a trampoline to success. In today's video, we're going to unwrap the ultimate way to grow your business in 2024. Running an online business in 2024 has become more competitive than ever. Half of the jobs are already stolen by artificial intelligence, and the new generations of human competitors are also growing up quickly. To stay on the market and ensure long-term success, you need to constantly test strategic ideas and adapt quickly. But here is the catch. How can you innovate and strategize if you're buried in day-to-day operations of your business? First, you need to prep the soil you're planting your ideas into. The key lies in time management and delegation. Everything that can go off your plate to other people has to go. Begin with a time audit. Identify tasks that can be delegated. There must be some important things that you absolutely hate doing, like correspondence, giving edits, or moving the cards in the Kanban board. And this is something you can safely transition to others. And there is always something that can help but requires your direct input, because it's also the high leverage actions that drive your revenue. Your time is a valuable resource, so allocate it wisely to strategic thinking and decision making. By the way, we have a free time audit guide. We use it a lot because we have a lot going on and we need to constantly revisit our priorities in the company. Grab your free copy of the guide in the link in the description below. The bummer, however, is that as every striving self-made business founder, you first start as a professional one-man orchestra who's used to doing everything in the business yourself. And you might be having a tough time letting go of your tasks. Like no one can do it better, and I can do it faster. And it's easier if I just do it myself. And it's easier until it's not. Until you're back at point A, overwhelmed with notifications and unfocused. You want to clone yourself. You can't seem to find the person who could be all these things for your team, right? I know. I'm a professional executive assistant and I have brought order to chaos many times. The challenge is real, but the solution is within reach. As a famous salesman and author, Zig Ziglar wisely said, "You don't build a business, you build people. Then people build the business." Remember that well-known book, Solve Your Number One Problem, and that is who? The crux of successful delegation and business growth lies in building a team of professionals you can trust to run the show. Hiring and nurturing top talent is the cornerstone in this process. First, find the best people for crucial roles in your business. Use as many talent avenues as you can. Vet candidates thoroughly, ensuring your goals align. Onboard and train them effectively, and establish an open feedback space for collaboration. Build trust and ensure that everyone is moving in the same direction. Recognize people's potential and promote them to roles that will help them grow. You cannot scale and reach your full potential without a robust team supporting you. And what's important, a good team is not about assembling a group of $3 per hour freelancers from Upwork and Fiverr who don't even remember your clients' names and quarterly goals because they're juggling 10 other gigs in parallel. You cannot achieve the desired growth with individuals lacking loyalty and reliable internet. Those who are not responsive and who do not possess any 1, 2, 5-year plans within your company. A successful business is built on a foundation of a committed and aligned team. Everyone accountable for your client experience must be on the same page with you. Understand your clients, share your values, and contribute to reaching your revenue milestones, not just camouflaging the gap. In 2024, you cannot afford settling for subpar team members. It's time to elevate your business by investing in exceptional talent, true A players. When you surround yourself with responsible and ambitious team members, you gain the freedom to focus on high-leverage actions that truly drive your business forward. This is not just about saving time. It's about creating headspace for you as a business owner to work on the business, not in the business. You might think for a moment that, hey, we are not a large corporation, we don't have the means to afford the best people in the market. But yes, you do. There are plenty of mediocre employees in big companies because this way they are less visible. People who have growth mindset will join small teams to make the biggest impact. And there are places in the world that offer an unparalleled talent value for money. We are speaking Eastern Europe, where you can hire highly educated, adaptable, responsible, and hardworking team members who will still cost you up to 80% less than domestic talent. Eastern Europe is a true realm to start sourcing your remote talent. However, Given how many remote workers are out there today, it's becoming more and more difficult to find top performers among them. Eastern Europe is not an easy market to engage in, as you will likely face time zone constraints and language barriers on local websites. The hiring process will become more complex and expensive in time. To secure your Eastern European rockstar employees, the best way is to connect with people who have access to high-quality candidates here, have a proven database, and experience working with businesses like yours. Here is where Hire UA comes in. With over 300 happy clients over the past 3 years and hundreds of placements that have changed the game for these businesses, we specialize in placing top-level Eastern European talent into your business. We handle everything for you. Once we define a specific role, we immediately start the search for the perfect candidate. Within 1 week, we present you with the top 2 to 3 candidates, allowing you to choose the best fit. Imagine skipping weeks or even months of scrapping through candidates' messages and profiles. Instead, you can enjoy enhanced productivity and start saving tons of time 1 week from now. Ready to invest in the correct assets that will blossom with results for your business? Head over to hire-ua.com and book a call with our team. Like and subscribe for more insightful content about recruitment and business growth. I'll see you in the next video.